On this morning, family, Black Phoenix checking in with you. Right now I'm at the headquarters doing some painting. Got the first coat on here. Probably coat it one more time. Make sure I hit all the good spots. But it came out pretty good. Like I say, this is tan. And I put the primer on there first. And then I painted it that way it can kind of stick better. But it came out pretty good. Like I say, these are my structure steps. And with a little modern look to them. More, I would say these will last longer than the actual regular wood stuff, because a lot of people have them and they'll fall apart or they'll break, over a period of time. These here will last you for a long time. And if anything go bad, it'll be the wood planks or treads, and you can replace them. I got these sitting here, so you can replace them. But the frame will be solid for you. The only way this is getting damaged, somebody run into it and hit it and destroy it. Other than that, you in it for the long run. Hog on.